Hey guys, it's your guy Abraza Kotokiti. Today we'll be looking at how to add and subtract time in Excel 2016. This is the data set that we're going to be working with. Let's take, for example, this particular client that registered on our website with this particular registration ID 692441114 registered at this particular time. And our company has a certain policy that when someone registered on our website, we tend to send them a reminder. So then we don't send a reminder immediately, and we wait for like after 4 hours before we send a reminder, or after 5 hours, or after 6 hours or so, a reminder to this particular client. So now for us to add, that means we need to add the delay to the registration time of that our client. So now for us to add the reminder to this the reminder delay to this particular registration time, we simply first of all set our reminder delay. Let's take, for example, we want to send a delay after 4 hours, or let's say after 3 hours of registration. That is when we want to send delay to our customer. So now for us to simply do that, we simply combine the date time with the reminder. So now, but we make sure that we anchor it. Since we are going to do same for the remaining data set, we make sure we anchor the reminder delay, then we hit enter. So now it means that this particular person will be sent a reminder at 1921, which is around 7:21 p.m. So now for us to do same for the remaining data set, we simply double click on it. So now this is when a reminder will be sent to this particular clients. So now for us, then moving to the next data sheet, let's say, for example, now wants to know the time differences of registration of client registration in our website. Let's say, for example, now wants to know the time difference between this particular registration ID and this particular registration ID. For us to do that, the first thing we'll do is that we'll try as much as possible to sort these data sets. So now, first of all, highlight it, then you come to data tab, then you go to sort. After going to sort, then you sort by registration time and from oldest to the newest. So now you click OK. You notice that the data has been sorted. So now for us to find the difference between this and this, we simply press equal to, then we take this minus this, then we hit enter. So there is a 19 minutes difference between this particular client and this particular client. So for us to do same for the remaining data sets, we simply double click. So now these are the time differences between each registration in our website. So now for us to find the average time between registration, that is the average time it takes customer to register on our website, we simply use the average function in Excel. Average. We simply use the average function, then we select the time differences, then we close our bracket, then we hit enter to find out. So now it takes about 22 minutes for a client to sign up on our website. So now this is how you perform addition and subtraction of time in Excel 2016. Hope to see you next time, and make sure you subscribe to my channel for more Excel video. Thank you. Bye bye.